What's up YouTube? My name is Spike, and in this video I'm going to go on Omegle and Chatroulette and solve a Rubik's Cube for people. I can solve it in about 13 seconds, so hopefully I'll get some pretty cool reactions, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, how's it going?
What's good, man?
Not much. I'm just solving this for people. Do you want to see?
Absolutely.
Alright, here we go. I've got a timer set up here.
All right, cool. Nice, dude. How long did it take you to learn how to do that?
I've been doing it for about 4 years, but I've been under 20 seconds for like 3 years, so.
Okay.
Hey, how's it going?
What's going on, bro? What you doing?
I'm solving this cube for people.
No,
You want to see?
no,
What?
no way. You're about to blow my mind.
Alright.
Go ahead, blow my mind.
Now we'll say something stupid.
Oh, I'm not ready for this. Not again.
Oh shit.
Now I'm not gonna pee for like 3 days straight because I'm so baffled.
Thank you.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it.
Hey, how's it going?
What's good, dog?
I'm solving this for people. Do you want to see?
What?
I'm solving this for people. Do you want to see?
Yup, do it real quick. 2 seconds.
More like 13, but yeah.
All right, go get that shit. Damn, that's what's up, bro. It's a good job.
Thank you.
What's
How's it
up,
going?
gamer?
Not much. I'm just solving this for people. Do you want to see?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, got a timer here.
Dang, bro, you're like that Asian kid at my school. He'd fucking have like the Rubik's cube. I would like mess it up because it has like a little twisting. I'll mess it up, and he would go ding dong, dong, ding, dong, and it would like be done like in fucking 5 seconds.
So I'm solving this for people. Do you want to see?
Fuck it.
Alright, got a timer set up here.
That was amazing.
Thank you.
Now one hand.
Okay. Just scrambled it though.
All right. Dude, your setup is nice. Nice Corsair,
Thank you.
Cornet, and the K95 it looks like,
Yeah,
and the Logitech G70 probably.
it's a G502.
G502, yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
Good setup. You
Thank
have a
you.
laptop. It looks like, but
Yeah.
laptops are getting amazing nowadays. So
Yeah. Alright. A pretty good start here.
yo. Yo, 28 seconds, bro.
Yeah.
You're a pro, dude. You should compete.
Thank you. Hey, how you doing? So I'm solving this for people. Do you want to see? Yes? No? Okay. So I'm solving this for people. Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Alright, got a timer set up here.
How fast?
11.32 seconds.
Hell yeah.
I can do it faster.
Roblox.
Uh,
That's a challenge right there that you can't
Yeah.
handle.
you want to see me do it with one hand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Man's got talent. I feel like I see you using two.
He's switching it up
Oh,
first.
okay. I was like,
Oh, yeah.
One hand
I know.
makes me think what you
Look
could
at
do
him
with my
go.
pussy.
I know. Man's got hands of fucking steel.
Damn.
Let him go.
Them fingers do be moving though. How quick?
27.32.
You just made me wet. That's some skill.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright.
What's up, gamer? Whoa. Whoa, I can see myself there.
Yeah.
That's pretty trippy, bro.
So I'm solving this for people. Do you want to see?
Sure, dude. Go ahead.
Alright.
You timing yourself? I see. You got the sequence down, huh?
Yeah. Sort of. Thank you.
Adios, sir.
Oh, he's like, yeah.
Hey, how's it going? Hey.
Wait,
up?
I said no. Hi. Are you on two things? Oh no, that's me. Cher, look, it's me.
So I'm solving this for people. Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Alright. Got a timer set up here.
Oh, he's doing the split screen thing. Oh, the what? Oh. Whoa. He said boom.
So I'm solving this for people. Do you want to see?
Yeah, sure. Go
Alright.
on.
Got a timer set up here.
¿Qué va a resolver esa madre?
Okay.
Está complicado.
Y vamos a quedarnos viendo cómo lo sé.
Wow. Wow. Shit, dude.
Wow.
You should go to Americans Got Talent.
Yeah, maybe. There's a lot of people
Yeah.
that can do it better than me, though. But yeah.
Are you kidding? How many seconds can someone do it better?
Some people average like 6 or 7 seconds.
Fuck. How's that
Yeah.
even possible?
Hey,
What
what's
the
up?
fuck? What's up, bro?
I'm solving this for people. Do you want to see?
Sure.
Alright. Here we go. Got a timer set up here.
You got 1 minute starting now. Go.
Oh, shit.
Oh, time is up.
Hey, you fucking suck, bro.
Well, that's the end of this video, and in the future I'm thinking of doing some more one-handed. So if you would like to see that, make sure you leave a comment down below, and see you in the next one.